dear children. Good evening everyone. Today in this class, it should be always very much interesting, which we really feel like doing the better the way that we actually go. And let's all enjoy and celebrate mathematics. This is Suma here, always waiting to see such energetic children and enjoying myself with you all, celebrating and enjoying mathematics. And today we shall discuss with few of the questions and the basic concepts of the relations for the NCERT. So always when we just talk of the relations, you must have seen your lecturers and all others keep writing R is contained in A cross B. R is contained in A cross B. So my next question is, what is this A cross B? What is this R? What is this contained in? It's actually, you can even call this as a subset of A cross B. What is this A cross B? A cross B is the set of all ordered pairs of the form A comma B, where A belongs to the set A and B belongs to the set B. A belongs to A is an element of the set A and B is an element of the set B. And it should be of A comma B. It's an ordered pair. Why we actually call it as an ordered pair is, for example, if I have A is equal to 1 comma 2, this is a set, and B is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6. This is also a set. How can I write A cross B? A cross B can be written as 1 comma 2, then 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6. Can we stop till here? No, because I have one more element here, that is 2 comma 2, 2 comma 4 and 2 comma 6. This is what is a Cartesian product. And if I have written A cross B, the elements must flow from A to B, A to B, A to B, A to B, A to B and A to B. It is something like wearing a socks first and then shoes next. It's not like wearing the shoes and then socks. Similar to this is nothing but A cross B. This is what the set which I have. And A and B are two non-empty sets. So here, now we just got to know accordingly A cross B, that is a Cartesian product. We just got to know what is a Cartesian product. Then it says, can I take these two elements as a relation? Can I take these two elements as a relation? Or can I take all these as a relation? I cannot take this simply, I cannot consider this simply, because I have just told you R is contained in A cross B. So some part, the relation must be there in this A cross B, that I agree, and even you agree with that. But if I want to say that R must be a subset of A cross B, I cannot go picking elements randomly from that. I need to have an expression. Only the expression can give you the relation here. So, for example, I'll just take y is equal to 2x. This is an expression which I am actually taking. Now, the elements for this x will actually come from the first set. Now, x and this is your y. For the value of x is equal to 1, the value of y will be 2. For the value of x is equal to 2, the value of y will be 4. Now, can I just write this a relation? Can I establish a relation now? It is 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 4. Do we have 1 comma 2? Yes, I have 1 comma 2. Do I have 2 comma 4? Yes, I have 2 comma 4 also here. So these are the 2 elements. This is a part of the Cartesian product A cross B. When it is a subset or a part of the Cartesian product A cross B, then we just call that as a relation. So if you need to have a relation, obviously you need to have an expression y is equal to 2x. Then the very next concept is what is a domain and what is a range. The first element will always be a domain. So now the domain is equal to 1 comma 2, the first element of this coordinate system, 1 comma 2. Then what is the range? The range is the second element here. So it is 2 comma 4 is the range. Domain and range. Now there is one more important condition. What does it say? The range is always contained in. The range is always contained in the second set. That is, here it is B. Here it is B. The range is always contained in the second set B. This is also an important condition. So what did we all study now? We just studied a relation is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B, where A and B are 2 non-empty sets. After that, we just saw what is a Cartesian product and we saw how the Cartesian product can be formed. And next, if we want to establish a relation or if we need to have a relation, then obviously we need to have an expression. I have just taken it an example. It's not mandatory that you need to take this same example. Then x and y, I have just taken the values of x from the set A and I have just found the values of y. This is what the relation which I have. So after doing this relation, I am just cross verifying whether these 2 elements of this relation are there, very much there in A cross B. Yes, it's there. So my condition got fulfilled. R is contained in A cross B. And next, what is the domain and what is the range? And very next thing is range must be contained in B. Okay, that is the second set. Now, we will discuss with types of relation.